Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Reggie Magbanga, 32 years old, single with one kid, and 11 years old. 11 years old. I'm college graduate.
If you get hard, who will take care of your daughter?
My mother will take care of my daughter.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one sister, mom.
Please tell me about your working experience.
I work in Singapore from 2019 to 2020. I serve family members. I serve 3 family members, 1 couple, and 1 kid. I do cleaning, I do marketing, I do washing, I do laundry, ironing clothes, and I took care of the children. And also, I work as a domestic helper in Oman from 2021 to 2023 for 2 years. I served 4 family members, 1 couple, and 2 twins. The age is 1 year old, and I do cleaning, cooking, and laundry, ironing clothes, and I took care of the children.
Are you willing to sleep late at night and wake up early in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
What if your employer is not home and the baby keep crying? What will you do?
I will cradle the baby and I will check if the diaper is wet, and if it is wet, I will change the diaper, and also I will check the baby is hungry. I will check the temperature if he had a fever, and I will ask for my employer for further instruction.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I would like to come to Hong Kong because I want to earn more money to my children and help and to support my family needs.
How about if you feel homesick? What will you do?
I will pray and I will focus my attention for my work.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the lame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No ma'am, I love pets.
Do you have any food you don't eat or food allergy?
No ma'am, I don't have food allergies.
How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I would like to work, I will finish my contract as long as my employer needs me.
Please describe yourself.
Trustworthy, honest, hardworking, happy to work,
What is your message to your future employer?
Hi ma'am, sir, good day. I hope you choose me as your helper. I'm trustworthy, honest, hardworking person, and I promise to serve your family as my own. I will finish my contract as long as you need me. Thank you.